Here's how I make $4,799 a month on YouTube without filming a single video. And after spending the last 4 years doing this myself, I'm about to tell you everything I know. So today, I'm going to reveal how I get these videos created without doing anything myself, and how you can get started without spending crazy money. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to reveal a simple trick I use to increase my earnings by over 3,500%. But first, I'm going to reveal a unique strategy I use that nobody is talking about right now. Did you know that there's a hidden feature on YouTube that can drive consistent traffic to your channel for years? And it's not what most people think. Let me tell you a story. There I was at my breaking point. I uploaded another video praying for a rush of views, but disappointment met me instead. Frustration with my YouTube channel overwhelmed me, and doubt began to cross my mind. I was thinking, should I quit and try something else? Am I going to be stuck in my 9-to-5 job forever? Because no matter what I did, my videos were just not bringing any views that I hoped for. You see, at that time, my entire strategy was this. To get views on YouTube, you have to optimize your videos for the YouTube browse features. That's the homepage everyone sees, where 70% of YouTube traffic comes from. And so I put all of my effort into making videos that I thought would go viral and rank on the YouTube homepage. But despite my best efforts, my videos were invisible to the YouTube algorithm. All but one. This one video was an outlier.
I'm going to show you how to dropship on Amazon with Shopify, and we're starting right now.
It was a simple tutorial on Amazon dropshipping. Nothing flashy, only a straightforward video tutorial. I didn't give it much thought when I first uploaded it. It was one of my many videos that I threw into the void. But here is where the unexpected happened. While I was focusing on browse features, this unassuming video started gaining traction, but not through the homepage like I was expecting. People looking for specific advice on Amazon dropshipping found my video, and it began to rank through YouTube search. And this was my light bulb moment. I realized that while everyone else focused on the browse features, search was flying under the radar, bringing in consistent, targeted views. So I shifted gears and went all in on YouTube search traffic, and made sure to create videos that targeted keywords that people were actually searching for. And that's when things started to change. My revenue began to skyrocket, and the best part was that it was a steady, growing income stream. Because unlike browse, where a video can go viral but then fade away, if you manage to rank on search, you will continue to get views for months and even years after you've posted the video. Now, I mentioned earlier that I don't create any of the videos myself, but how is this possible? Well, first, allow me to demonstrate something with a bottle of water. This bottle of water represents your time and energy, and in front of you, these are several glasses on the table. Each glass represents a different task to your YouTube channel. First, you have thumbnail design, script writing, video editing, and so on. So you start pouring water into the first glass, filling it to the top. That's you spending time creating the thumbnail. But there's still more to do. You move on to the next glass, the script writing. And as you pour water, you realize the water level in your bottle is going down fast. By the time you reach video editing, there's barely any water left. And what about all the other glasses related to your YouTube channel? They're still empty. And don't even get me started about the other 20 glasses hidden away. You have your job, school, friends, family, relationships, hobbies, and so on. You see the problem? There's just not enough water to fill all these glasses. You're trying to do everything yourself, but you're running out of your most important resource, your time and energy. This is where we do things differently. Imagine if each glass had its own water bottle. That's where you have a team, where each member focuses on one aspect of your channel. One person makes the thumbnail, another edits the video, and so on. And with a team, every glass gets filled without you running out of water. So now your channel can grow fast because every part gets the attention it needs. And the best part, you are not overwhelmed. So now you can focus on the overall strategy of the channel, knowing that the repetitive tasks are taken care of. But let's address the elephant in the room. To hire people to work on your channel, you're going to need to spend some money, and you might not be willing to break the bank in the beginning. But hiring a team isn't as expensive as you think. So how much does it really cost to get started? Well, when I began my YouTube journey, hiring a team felt like a distant dream. I didn't have any revenue coming in, and every dollar felt precious. Because of this, the thought of spending money without any guarantee of return felt like a gamble to me. But I knew my business had to grow beyond just being a one-person show. And the thought of having a YouTube channel run on autopilot while bringing in thousands of dollars motivated me to get started. So I began by making videos on my own. However, I quickly hit a wall and had reached the limit of what one person can do. Managing a YouTube channel along with my 9-to-5 job was becoming a challenge. So I decided to take the leap and outsource the video editing. And to my surprise, hiring was completely affordable. In fact, it made me wonder, why didn't I start this process sooner? I found freelancers willing to work within my tight budget for just $2 to $3 per video. And sure, the quality wasn't amazing, but it was the first step towards something bigger. And as the first bit of revenue started to come in, I had hope. Instead of keeping the money to myself, I began to pour it back into the channel, and over time, I outsourced more of the process. I hired freelancers to do the thumbnail design, the voiceover, and so on. And as the revenue continued to increase, so did the quality of my team. Now I had more money to take bolder risks. So I began hiring more skilled freelancers with the focus on creating higher quality videos. And the better the video quality, the more likely it was to get more views, which then means more money to reinvest. Now, when setting up your faceless YouTube channel, you're going to run into many challenges. But if you want me to walk you through the entire process step by step to go from zero to earning over $100 per day, then check out my free training video by clicking the first link down in the description. So, how long can you expect to wait before you start seeing results? Well, imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small and slow. And that was my channel in the early days. But as it rolls down, it picks up more snow, growing bigger and faster. That's what happened with my channel. On May 19th, I made only $4.63. But each video I posted added to the snowball, and it felt slow at first, but there came a tipping point. Suddenly, every new video had a bigger impact, which caused the snowball to get faster and faster. And the revenue started growing exponentially, not just from the new content, but from all the videos I've published previously. Which takes us to September 30th, where I made over $162.53 just from ad revenue. So after only a 4-month period, my revenue went up by 35x the amount, which just shows the potential for exponential growth. But what if I told you that with one simple trick, you can increase your revenue by another 50%? So I was sitting at my computer filled with excitement. On top of the already impressive YouTube ad revenue, I had an extra $1,400 chilling in my bank account. And I couldn't help but think to myself, why didn't I start this sooner? So flashback to a couple of months before, and my YouTube channel is steadily growing. But one day I'm scrolling through my Instagram feed and I see a post from a friend. Now, his channel had fewer views than mine, yet he was making almost double what I was earning. And this got me thinking, what was I missing? So I reached out to my friend and he dropped the secret sauce that ended up boosting my income by over 50%. Do you know the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, that was the big mistake I was making. Now, YouTube ad revenue is still a big chunk of your income, but there is a bonus method I use to increase my channel's earnings. So here's how it works. Let's say you make a video comparing Shopify versus Squarespace. The viewers who watch your video are already interested in trying out these softwares. They're not just casual viewers, they're potential buyers on the verge of making a purchase. So what I do is partner up with Shopify and Squarespace and do something called affiliate marketing. The software companies will give me my very own affiliate link, which I will put in the description of my video. So now whenever someone makes a purchase through my link, I get paid. And here are the earnings I made from one of the affiliate products I'm promoting. As you can see, it brought an extra $1,300 in November, which is a big boost to what I'm already making just from the ad revenue. So earlier I talked about my unique strategy for targeting YouTube search traffic, but if you choose the wrong niche, then you're going to struggle to get views on your videos. So check out my deep dive on the best faceless YouTube niches for 2024 by clicking this video right here.